How to download and install macOS 12 Monterey public beta on your Mac? Open the Safari browser and go to beta.apple.com. Click on Sign In and enter your Apple ID credentials, or click on Continue with Password and enter your Mac's password. If not automatically selected, choose the macOS tab at the top. Scroll down and in the Get Started section, click on Enroll Your Mac. In the Enroll Your Mac section, click on Download the macOS Public Beta Access Utility. Wait for the file to download. Then, open the Downloads folder and click on macOS Public Beta Access Utility.dmg. When a window pops up, double-click on the macOS Public Beta Access Utility.pkg file. When the file opens, you might get a prompt about Time Machine Backup. If you already backed up your Mac, click on OK, then click on Continue. Click on Continue and agree to the terms of the software license agreement by clicking on Agree. Next, click on Install and, if asked, enter your Mac's password. Wait while your Mac finds the macOS Monterey beta update. Important: if the update screen doesn't pop up automatically, open it in the Software Update Preferences. When the update is detected, click on Download. Wait until the update is downloaded. When the macOS Monterey beta is downloaded, an installation window will pop up. Click on Continue. To accept the terms of the software license agreement, click on Agree. Then, in the next step, select the drive/partition you will install the macOS Monterey beta and click on Continue. When asked, enter your Mac's password and click on Unlock. Wait until the installation is finished. Next, your Mac should restart itself. After the system reboot, enter your user password and start exploring the macOS Monterey beta. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. Combo Cleaner also offers a disk cleaner that will help you clean out the junk accumulated on your Mac. A big files finder that will help you find files that take up the most space on your Mac. A duplicate file finder, which will easily find all duplicate files on local and external hard drives. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history, and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.